Joan Monninger. Could you tell us a little bit about the historic downtown walk?
Sure. This is a walking tour that begins at Artifacts 302 with costume tour guides leading guests on a journey back in time along Main Street to learn about how Farmington's downtown historic commercial district developed and changed. The story of Farmington, we feel like it's a story of the spirit of the West, and our cast of characters are going to share their fascinating stories and more. We've got an antique car show going on near Orchard Park, and we've got music at Artifacts by Robin Woodard and her daughter Amber Swank, so we're really excited about it.
Can you tell us a little bit about the event, and when is it, and how much is it?
Oh, thanks, Alyssa. It is on Saturday, April 30th. The tours and the fun begin at 4 p.m. Tickets are $15, and the tickets are available at Artifacts, Howard's Cleaners, and on Eventbrite.
Okay, great. And who are the coordinators for this event?
Well, I am the chairman for Kiwanis Rio del Sol for this event, the Downtown Walk. Jill McQuarrie was the founder of it, who also does Dining with the Dead. And then I've got my sister, Julie Gow, who's on our committee, as well as Tina White.
Okay, great. That's an impressive lineup you have. And how many tour guides do you have?
We have about 13 or 14 tour guides, all wonderful folks, and then we have 12 actors that are going to be recreating different notables who have some kind of connection to Farmington.
What would you say is the importance of a dress rehearsal?
Well, at this point, folks have been working on their costumes, they've had their scripts, and this is really our chance to run through it. Gives us a better idea on timing and the conditions. Today we've got a lot of wind, where the sun is, and how things are going. So it's really important that everybody gets a feel for how it's going to go, and we can start making some changes before next week.
How has the community been supportive in your initiative?
I've been so happy with everybody. I've had help with the city. We've had Karen Lepton with economic helping us, as well as Warren Untitled. We've had folks at the Visitor and Convention Center. So Ingrid and Tanya have been great getting the word out about it. We were nominated to be a Jolt-worthy event, so I'm pretty excited about that. Local businesses collaborating and helping us, as well as the history folks here. So at Farmington Museum, we had Bart Wilsey and Sherry Powell have been really helpful to me, and Patty Tharp, who's also one of our tour guides. She's with the Historical Society, and she's just been tremendous about giving me help. And Judy Castleberry and some of the other people who have long time roots to this community have been great with helping with scripts and other things.
What type of turnout are you looking to have?
Last year, I believe they sold out their 300 tickets, and so we're looking to do that again. Right now, we still have tickets on sale. We've been really pleased with the local media helping us out, getting the word out. There are still tickets available, and so we're urging folks to go out and get those and come be a part of this.
Okay, great. And do you mind reminding us again where we can find the tickets?
You can get tickets at Gallery 302, which is where the tour starts. You can get them at Howard's Cleaners and on Eventbrite.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Joan.
Thank you, Alyssa.